9, BJH10, age 1. Driving the victim's 2014 red Jeep Patriot with Kentucky plate 390 TBA.
What the heck?
A neighbor witnessed the suspect load the 4 children in a Jeep and flee the scene, possibly in a route to St. Louis, Missouri, or Louisville, Kentucky. Victims, Adrian Murray, a black make aged 1 year. He has brown eyes and black hair and is 2 feet 2 inches tall, weighing 20 pounds. Suspect, Richard Gray, a black male aged 32 years old. He has brown eyes and black eyes and is 6 feet 2 inches tall, weighing 170 pounds. Has a tattoo on the next vehicle, a red 2014 Jeep Patriot with Kentucky license plate reading 390. TBA, if you have any information regarding this alert, please contact the Kentucky State Police.
Huh.
The statement is,
At the request of the Kentucky State Police, the Kentucky Emergency Alert System is activated to assist in the broadcast of an Amber Alert. An Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating, an Amber Alert has been declared. Incident summary: Richard Samuel Gray, 32 years of age, murdered his girlfriend in Bardstown, Kentucky this evening at approximately 5 p.m. Gray fled the victim's residence with 4 male juveniles: Jordan, age 6, Jace, age 9, BJ, age 10, Adrian Murray, age 1, who has entered North Sea. Gray is driving the victim's 2014 red Jeep Patriot with Kentucky plate 390 TBA. A neighbor witnessed the suspect load the 4 children in the Jeep and flee the scene, possibly en route to St. Louis, Missouri, or Louisville, Kentucky. Victims, Adrian Murray, a black make aged 1 year. He has brown eyes and black hair and is 2 feet 2 inches tall, weighing 20 pounds. Suspect, Richard Gray, a black male aged 32 years old. He has brown eyes and black eyes and is 6 feet 2 inches tall, weighing 170 pounds. Has a tattoo on the next vehicle, a red 2014 Jeep Patriot with Kentucky license plate reading 390. TBA, if you have any information regarding this alert, please contact the Kentucky State Police. Now for